Hey Sew Family, welcome back to K Charles Couture Sewing Page. We are in part 2 now, Black Sewing Network Challenge, and I'm not here to play. This is where I take everything you saw in prep and turn it into a real garment. I'm here to build something. Every seam matters. Alright now, this is where people mess up. This part right here. This is where the look either becomes designer or DIY. Anybody can cut fabric, but not everybody can bring it to life. This challenge only allows me to use one machine, so every seam matters, every line matters. This ain't just sewing, this is construction. I don't rush this part because this is what separates me from the rest. The structure you saw in part 1, yeah, this is where it gets built. Y'all still watching? Go ahead and get some paper. You should take notes. I'm not even done yet, but I already know that this is about to be a problem. Make sure you come back for part 3 because that final look, yeah, I saved the best for last. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know when I drop part 3. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. The competition is on fire, but my look is going to burn the building down. Peace.